Bitcoin struggles below 85K. Critical levels to watch before FOMC decision. BTC price is facing a tough battle between buyers and sellers as the FOMC meeting approaches. With major resistance at $85,000 and key support zones beneath, the next move could be crucial. Bitcoin struggles below 85K as FOMC meeting looms. On March 17th, Bitcoin once again failed to break the crucial 85,000 resistance. Since March 12th, BTC has consistently peaked between $84,000 and $85,200, but hasn't managed to close above $84,600. On the 1-hour chart, Bitcoin is currently in a phase of uncertainty often referred to as no man's land, where price movements remain unpredictable due to mixed market sentiment and external factors. With the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC meeting scheduled for March 18th and 19th, traders should brace for potential volatility. The key interest rate decision will be announced on March 19th at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, which could drive significant price action. CME's FedWatch tool suggests a 99% likelihood that interest rates will stay between 4.25% and 4.50%, with only a 1% chance of a 0.25% rate cut. Many market participants believe any bearish reaction to unchanged rates is already priced in, shifting the focus to Jerome Powell's speech during the FOMC meeting. Given recent data, Powell's tone is expected to be hawkish due to the following factors. The Consumer Price Index, CPI, remains at 2.8%, above the Fed's 2% target. The Personal Consumption Expenditure, PCE, price index is also at 2.5% to 2.6%. Despite a lower-than-expected CPI last week, it does not justify an immediate rate cut. Unemployment remains low at 4.1%, while Q4 2024 GDP growth stands at 2.3%, signaling no urgent need for economic stimulus. At the same time, Polymarket now projects a 100% probability that the U.S. Federal Reserve will end quantitative tightening, QT, by April 30th, increasing the chances of a rate cut as early as this summer. Key Bitcoin price levels to watch. Bitcoin needs to turn the $85,000 resistance level into a solid support to push toward new highs at $90,000. For this breakout to materialize, BTC USD must first reclaim its position above the 200-day exponential moving average on the one-day chart. Notably, Bitcoin fell below this critical EMA on March 9th, marking its first dip under this level since August 2024. On the bullish side, renewed demand from spot Bitcoin ETFs could act as a catalyst. On March 17th, Bitcoin ETFs recorded $274 million in inflows, their largest single-day gain since February 4th. Conversely, bears will aim to keep BTC below $85,000, which could open the door for a deeper correction below $78,000. If selling pressure increases, the next key downside target is $74,000. The previous all-time high set in early 2024. Potential Bitcoin support levels. If Bitcoin falls below $74,000, the next key support zone lies between $70,530 and $66,810, where a daily order block exists. A dip to $69,272 would bring BTC back to its U.S. election day price, effectively wiping out all gains from the so-called Trump pump. Super Bitcoin Bro, a well-known BTC analyst, points out that the worst-case support range for Bitcoin is between $71,300 and $73,800. This zone remains a potential support level across multiple timeframes, from daily to quarterly. Similarly, Nebraskan Gunnar, another prominent Bitcoin analyst, sees the upcoming FOMC meeting as a wildcard event. He emphasizes that BTC must reclaim $86,250 to confirm a bullish breakout on lower timeframes. However, based on current chart patterns, he anticipates a possible retest near the $70,000 level in the coming weeks. Bitcoin's next big move is just around the corner. Will it break past $85,000 or dip back to $70,000? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, staying ahead of the market is key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for real-time crypto updates. Let us know in the comments. Where do you think Bitcoin is headed next?